Welcome to the ultimate luxury modern farmhouse tiny house tour, where timeless rural charm blends seamlessly with contemporary design. In today's video, we explore how thoughtful architecture transforms a compact footprint into a refined living experience. This tiny modern farmhouse proves that luxury is not about size, but about intention, craftsmanship, and intelligent spatial planning that elevates everyday living. The exterior immediately sets the tone with its clean lines, classic gabled roof, and a harmonious mix of natural materials. Vertical board and batten siding, paired with warm wood accents and matte metal roofing, creates a modern yet familiar farmhouse aesthetic. Large windows and subtle overhangs enhance both visual appeal and climate performance, making this tiny house feel welcoming and architecturally grounded. Inside, the layout showcases the power of strategic architectural planning. Every zone is carefully positioned to maximize openness, circulation, and usability. Sightlines remain uninterrupted, creating a sense of spaciousness rarely associated with tiny homes. This modern farmhouse design balances private and shared areas while ensuring that no square meter is wasted or overlooked. The living room embodies understated luxury with neutral tones, layered textures, and custom-built furnishings. High ceilings with exposed beams add vertical drama, while large windows flood the space with natural light. The result is a cozy yet elegant environment that feels both relaxing and visually expansive, perfectly suited for modern farmhouse tiny living. This kitchen is a standout feature, blending classic farmhouse elements with modern performance. Shaker-style cabinetry, quartz countertops, and open shelving create warmth and functionality. Integrated appliances and clever storage solutions ensure efficiency without clutter. The kitchen proves that even in a tiny house, gourmet-level design and daily practicality can coexist beautifully. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area is designed for flexibility and comfort. Built-in benches or a compact farmhouse table make the space ideal for daily meals or entertaining guests. Thoughtful lighting and material continuity tie the dining zone seamlessly into the overall interior, reinforcing the sense of unity and architectural flow throughout the home. The bathroom elevates expectations with spa-like finishes and smart spatial solutions. Walk-in showers, premium fixtures, and natural textures create a calming retreat. Skylights or high windows bring in daylight while maintaining privacy. This space demonstrates how luxury design principles can be applied even in the most compact areas of a tiny modern farmhouse. The sleeping area, whether a loft or ground-level suite, is designed for tranquility and comfort. Soft materials, built-in storage, and carefully planned lighting enhance relaxation. Architectural details like sloped ceilings or wood paneling reinforce the farmhouse character while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic that supports restful living. Beyond beauty, this tiny modern farmhouse embraces sustainability and efficiency. High-performance insulation, Energy-efficient windows and smart ventilation systems ensure year-round comfort. Durable materials and low-maintenance finishes support long-term living, making this home not only luxurious, but also environmentally and economically responsible. In conclusion, the ultimate luxury modern farmhouse tiny house redefines what small space living can be. Through thoughtful architecture, refined materials, and intelligent design, this home delivers comfort, elegance, and functionality without excess. It stands as a powerful example that luxury is not measured in square footage, but in how beautifully a space supports life.